Welcome back once again. Another very easy, simple salad. We're going to use some Adzuki beans or Adzuki beans in this one. It is delicious. Let's go and do it. So let's take a look at what we have. I've got our cooked beans here, Adzuki beans or Adzuki beans, also known as Chowri, also known as red cow peas. They're cooked. Wash them. Then they take a while to cook. They're little small fellows, but they take quite a while to cook. So I cooked them for about 30 minutes. And then I've got here some parsley, flat leaf parsley, and then small amount of onion, cucumber, bell peppers, and tomato. Then we're going to make a really simple dressing of lemon juice, olive oil, tiny amount of garlic, and some Dijon mustard. Whip it all together. It's delicious. So small little bowl, lemon juice or lime juice. Now I like to go equal parts of the olive oil and the lemon juice, tiny amount of garlic, and then we're going to go with a decent amount of a Dijon mustard. If you wanted it to be really tangy, go for an English mustard. That's really quite strong. Simply, we're just going to give that a little mix together. Now, if you don't want to use lemon, you could be using a vinegar or like a balsamic vinegar or a white vinegar. And that's it. Very simple. So we have our mixing bowl there with our beans in already. Little bit of chopped cucumber, onion. Keep it nice and small. The bell peppers. A little bit of colour, a bit of tomato. And then quite a large amount of chopped parsley in there. We're going to add some black pepper to this. And some salt. We're going to put that really simple vinaigrette in. I'm going to give that a mix and I'll be back in a moment. And that's it. Absolutely beautiful, lovely little salad. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment and say hi. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.